And we were supposed to match each fraction to the decimal that matches. Ooh, that's a redundant sentence. Okay, so we've got 2/3, 6/4, 12/16, 5/8, and 26/52. Over here I've got these options. Okay, 0.5 is going to be one of them, so let's take a look. It's obviously not 2/3. 6/4 is more than 1. 12/16 is more than 8/16. 5/8 is more than 4/8. So 26/52. Well, 26 is half of 52. That's the same as 1/2. So that's A, or 0.5. 5/8. We talked about 5/8 earlier. That happens to be 0.625. But if you're not sure how to get that, we can always work it out. 5 is what we're dividing, and 8 is what we're dividing by. So 5/8, let's put some zeros in here. I happen to know you'll need 3. So 8 goes into 5 0 times. Let's bring our decimal up to where it goes, right above where it is in our dividend. So 8 now goes into 50. 48 is a multiple of 8, so that goes into 50 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. Bring a 0 down. 50 minus 48 is 2. 8 goes into 20. 2 times 8 is 16. Bring another 0 down. 20 minus 16 is 4, so I've got 40. 8 goes into 40 5 times, 0.625, and there we go. Anytime you aren't sure what decimal a fraction is, just do the division. Numerator divided by denominator. Okay, so that's 0.625. That is E, so we'll put E here for 4. That's 0.625. 0.625 if you prefer. Okay, 2/3. 2/3 is one that we can also do with division if you don't remember it, but I do recommend very strongly you memorize what 2/3 is as a decimal. 2 divided by 3. Put some zeros in here. Put the decimal right above where it is for place value. 3 goes into 2 0 times, but 3 goes into 20 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Bring down my 0. 20 minus 18 is 2. Look, we've got a repeating 20, so we are going to keep getting the same result. 18, 2, blah, blah, blah. So 6, 6, 6, 6, on and over. So that's just 0.6 repeating, which we've got right here. That's C. So let's bring that over here. That's 2/3 is C, or 0.6 repeating, 0.6 repeating. You might see it on a calculator as 0.67 because it'll get rounded. 6/4, well, that's 4/4 plus 2/4. 4/4 is 1, 2/4 is 1/2, so that's 1 and 1/2, which is 1.5, which is over here, that's D. 12/16, well, we've got common factors in top and bottom. 12 and 16 are both multiples of 4, so 12 divided by 4 is 3. 16 divided by 4 is 4, that's 3/4, which happens to be 0.75. If you're not sure, just divide the 3 by 4 with some long division and you'll get it, but we have 0.75 over here. That is B. So we have C, D, B, E, and